In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bibliography from Word into Zotero. If you have a bibliography saved in a Word document and you want it stored with your research inside Zotero, this walkthrough will show you how to attach that file so it's always right where you need it. Before we begin, make sure your Word file is saved and closed so there are no conflicts when you add it to Zotero. Start by opening the Zotero app on your computer. On the left, you'll see the navigation panel. Click on My Library to view everything in your collection. This keeps you in the main area where it's easy to find and manage your items. Next, choose the title you want to associate with your Word bibliography. This title appears in the middle column. It might be a book, article, report, or any item you've already added. Selecting an item tells Zotero where to store the attachment so it's linked to the correct reference. With that item selected, look to the right-hand pane. This is the item details area where you'll find fields like info, notes, tags, and more. We're going to work in the section that handles attachments. Click the paperclip icon to open the attachments area for the selected item. This is where Zotero groups any files you connect to that reference, such as PDFs, images, or in this case, a Word document containing your bibliography. Now click the plus sign to add a new attachment. This opens your file picker so you can browse your computer. Navigate to your Word bibliography file, select it, and click Open. Zotero will add the file under the attachment section for that item. You'll see it appear in the right-hand pane, confirming that it's now part of your library and linked to the selected reference. A few helpful tips as you proceed. Keep your file name descriptive so it's easy to spot later. If you ever need to confirm it's the right document, double-click the attachment to open it directly from Zotero. If you added the wrong file, you can remove the attachment from the item without deleting the rest of your reference. And remember, attaching a Word bibliography stores the document with your research. It doesn't automatically convert the formatted entries into individual Zotero items. If you need structured references, you'll still add those to Zotero using your usual workflows. That's it. You've successfully placed your Word bibliography inside Zotero, neatly attached to the item you selected. This keeps your sources and supporting documents together so you can find everything at a glance as you write, cite, and share your work.